Welcome to the story of an extraordinary caravan, where the lines between wilderness and home are blurred by a shared purpose. It begins with a big horse, a trusted giant of strength and steady calm, finding itself as the unlikely leader of a most unusual traveling band. Drawn together by a changing landscape, perhaps a great flood or a search for new grazing, the horse is joined by a curious mix of wildlife, jungle, and farm animals. A clever fox trots alongside. Hamsters are small mammals with soft fur and tiny paws. They are known for their big, stretchy cheek pouches. Hamsters use their cheek pouches to carry food back to their nests. Most hamsters are active at night. They have excellent senses of smell and hearing. Pumas have many names. They are also called cougars, mountain lions, panthers, and catamounts, all the same animal. Pumas can run up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers per hour for short bursts. Pumas mainly eat Deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, and their eyes are perfectly adapted for this. Deer have a highly developed sense of smell, which is their primary means of communication. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, to escape danger. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils. Sloths live in the rainforests of Central and South America. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees, hanging upside down. Sloths sleep for 15 to 20 hours a day. That's almost their whole life spent resting. Sloths have long claws. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. Gorillas are incredibly strong, up to 10 times stronger than an average human. Gorillas are mostly herbivores. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value. Anteaters are largely solitary, coming together only to mate. A mother will carry her single offspring on her back for up to a year until it is independent. Anteaters sleep a lot, often up to 15 hours a day. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Bears are omnivores. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Reindeer are surprisingly vocal. They make a variety of grunts and snorts, and a unique clicking sound. Reindeer can see light in the ultraviolet UV spectrum. This is a unique adaptation that allows them to spot things that are otherwise camouflaged in the snow. Cows have best friends and feel stressed when they are separated from them. A cow can smell up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers away, thanks to its strong sense of smell. Cows spend about 10 to 12 hours a day lying down to rest and digest food. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Crocodiles are prehistoric animals. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles live in rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshes in Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Crocodiles are meat eaters. They eat fish, sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils. Honey badgers are known for their problem-solving skills. They are adept at using tools. There are documented cases of them rolling logs. Honey badger's reputation is well-deserved. It's known for its incredibly tough and aggressive demeanor. Honey badger is a true omnivore. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. They mainly eat deer, Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them, but they have two blind spots, right in front of their nose and directly behind them. Horses have 4 gaits: walk, trot, canter, and gallop. Horses use their ears The big horse provides a safe, towering presence for the smaller creatures. while the keen senses of the wildlife scout for danger and path ahead. The jungle animals in their group, like a watchful monkey or a parrot, alert them to overhead perils, and the hardy farm animals contribute their resilience and familiar trust.